Welcome. Continuing from last video, we've got Ollama installed, we've chosen a model, now let's actually build something with it. Today's project is a private AI assistant with a proper chat interface, not working with a terminal, a real browser-based UI with a chat history, a model selector, and a personality that you define. Something you'll actually use every day. The tool we're looking at adding is called Open Web UI. It's free, open source, and it turns Ollama into something that looks and feels like ChatGPT, except it runs entirely on your own machine with no data going anywhere. 3 steps, no coding, let's get started. Before we install anything, let me show you what we're getting, because the difference between Ollama on its own and Ollama with Open Web UI is significant. Right now, Ollama is best used as a terminal tool. Every conversation starts fresh, there's no history, no file uploads, and no way to set instructions that carry across sessions. It's powerful, but raw. Open Web UI adds a full browser interface, persistent chat history, multiple conversations organized in a sidebar, the ability to upload documents and ask questions about them, a model dropdown so you can switch between Llama and Mistral with one click, and most importantly, a system prompt that runs on every single conversation automatically. That last one is what turns it from a chatbot into an assistant. One prerequisite: Docker Desktop. If you don't have it, go to docker.com and install it. It's free, takes 5 minutes, and you only do it once. If you already have Docker, skip straight to the command. Now, open command prompt and paste in the command for Open Web UI. Hit enter and let it download. Now, what's actually happening here is Docker's pulling from the Open Web UI container and setting it up to connect to your local Ollama server automatically. The restart always flag means it'll start back up every time you boot your computer. When it's done, open your browser and go to localhost 3000. And once you're on localhost with the port of 3000, you'll end up on this page. Then what you do is at the bottom here, click on Get Started and create a local account, username, and password. This is stored only on your machine, not sent anywhere else. And once you're logged in, you can also see on the top left, your Ollama models are already there in the dropdown. Llama, Mistral, and whatever else you've pulled. They're all available with no extra setup. Next, this is the step that turns a generic chatbot into your personal assistant. The system prompt is a set of instructions that runs before every single conversation. It tells the model who it is, how to behave, and what to prioritize. You set it once, and it works automatically from then on. Here's a starter prompt. Paste this in, and we'll customize it together. Let's walk through what each part does. The name we are using is John, just something simple. The be concise rule makes it stop pattern answers with unnecessary filler. Direct answer first means you get the thing you asked for before the explanation. And the never start with certainly rule. This is the most important one. Default AI responses almost always open with some version of that, and it immediately signals that you're talking to a machine. Removing it makes the whole thing feel like a real conversation. Customize this to fit how you actually work. Add your job title, your industry, your preferred write-in style. The more specific you are, the better it performs. Now let's actually use it. 3 prompts, quick Q&A, a write-in task, and something that needs a bit of thinking. First, a quick question. In the chatbot, I'm going to ask, what are the 3 most important things I should know about compound interest? Now let's hit enter. It's professional, human, and under 30 words. Ready to copy and paste. It didn't need any unnecessary sign-off or filler. And third, something that needs thinking. I'm going to paste in that I need to send a difficult email to a client who missed a deadline. Help me think through how to approach it. And hit enter. This is where the assistant really earns it. It didn't just hand you a template. It thought through the situation first, what the tone should be, what to avoid, and what the goal of the email is. Then it gave you a framework. That's the difference between a chatbot and an assistant. The system prompt tells it to think before it generates. Now you have a working local AI assistant. Here are 5 things worth knowing about where to go next. Personalize the system prompt. Add your actual job, your preferred tone, things you never want it to do. The more specific, the better. Upload documents in a conversation. Open Web UI lets you attach files directly to a chat. Paste in a report, a contract, anything. And ask questions about it, all locally, nothing online. Switch models for different tasks. Use DeepSeek for anything involving reasoning or maths, Mistral for writing, and Llama for general conversations. One drop-down click. Create multiple assistants. You can save different system prompts for different roles. A coding assistant, a writing assistant, a research assistant, and remember, it's all local. Disconnect from the internet and it still works. Every conversation, every document, every message stays on your machine. And there you go. You just built your own private AI assistant. It has a real interface, it knows how to work, and it runs on your own machine for free. Drop a comment. What's the first thing you're going to use it for? I read every single one. Subscribe for video 5, where we take this further and build a document Q&A tool. You'll be able to chat with your own files, contracts, reports, research notes, with nothing to send to the internet. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.